What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bandang Rio Brothers. First time natin magre-react sa kanilang banda guys. Alam ko naman na ilan sa inyo guys kilala na sila sapagkat matagal na silang sikat sa mundo ng musika. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang cover song na kanta ng The Eagles, New Kid in Town. Grabe, napakalinis ng kanilang tunog guys. Kung papakinggan nyo mabuti. Pero meron silang mga ginagamit na effects. Yan sa gitara meron ako narinig. Pero yung tunog nila napaka clean. Ganda na tunog.
We're stuck on the street, it sounds so familiar. Great expectations, everybody's watching you.
Pati yung tunog ng drums, napaka suwabe ng tunog. Hindi ganun kalakas, pero ang ganda pakinggan. Balance lang.
People you meet, they all seem to know you. Even your
Ang ganda ng bass parang yung bass guitar ni Paul McCartney ng Beatles.
old friends treat you like there's something new. Johnny come lately.
Ay grabe. Halimaw din pala sa harmony to. Yung Rio Brothers. Ang ganda ng kanilang blending.
New kid in town. Everybody loves you.
Galing din ng kanilang pianista. Tsaka nung acoustic guitar. Rhythm guitar.
So don't let them down. You look in their eyes, the music begins to play.
Lahat sila kumakanta Pero lang sa pianista. Wala siyang mic. Pero sa tingin ko kumakanta rin to. Wala lang siyang mic na nakasetup.
Hope is romantics. Here we go again. But after a while, you look in the other way. It's those
Ang galing nung nagsa-second voice. Ang tining ng boses.
restless hearts that never met. Oh,
Yun Kuha nila yun.
Johnny come lately.
Original
The new kid in town. Will she still love you?
Napaka-plakado rin nila pala guys. Tumugtog Talagang kuha nila sa original.
When you're not around.
Ang galing nila sumipra ng kanta. Lalo yung nila, lead guitar. Ang galing. Sarap naman pakinggan nun. Nung adlib na yun.
There's so many things you should have told her, but not up tonight. You waited to hold her, just hold her. Tears on your shoulder.
Ano kayang effects yung gamit niya sa gitara, Parang lang parang natural lang yung tunog. Hindi ganun katapang yung effects ng electric guitar. Para siyang chorus na hindi ganun katapang yung timpla.
There's talk on the street is there to remind you. Doesn't really matter which side you are.
Solid din ang tunog ng bass guitar. Grabe. Namamanga talaga ako sa tunog nila. Napaka-balance lahat.
You're walking away and they're talking behind you. They will never forget you till somebody new comes along.
Tsaka pansinin nyo guys yung kanilang microphone. Wala masyadong maririnig kang echo sa kanilang mic. Natural na natural yung kanilang tunog.
Where you've been lately, some new kid in town. Everybody
Gusto ko yun yung bagsakan na yan. Ganda.
loves you, don't they? You smell the good, you smell the
Galing. Galing nung pinaka-vocalist. Habang nag-gigitara. Galing niya kumanta.
There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town.
Mukhang mapapadalas ako mag-react nito guys sa kanila. Natutuwa ako sa kanilang cover. Galing.
Everybody's talking about me. Everybody's talking about me.
Grabe. Ano masasabi nyo guys? I-comment nyo lang inyong mga reaction guys sa ating comment section. Galing nila.
I don't wanna hear there's a new kid in town. People started walking, there's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town.
Grabe. Grabe yun guys. Tinapos nila sa ganun kalupit na harmony. Napakalupit pala ng bandang Rio Brothers. Grabe. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, ilalagay natin sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung mga kanilang cover songs. Ayan, panigurado. Napakagaganda nito lahat. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.